2024 Mustang Ecoboost on the lift. We're slapping the first ever Borla Atak system on it. It's not available for the 2024, so we retrofit it. Same engine, 2.3 turbo 4-cylinder. So we just built some adapters. We don't charge a customer for it. We do it on the house and make this thing fit, make it look factory. So we got the Borla Atak in there, got the tips looking sweet, got matte fabricated in the extensions, and we're about to crank it, rev it for you guys. You let me know what you think. Is this worth doing a Borla Atak system on your Ecoboost? We're doing a lot of these Ecoboost systems, so we usually do muffler deletes or MBRP systems, but the Borla Atak is definitely the way to go, guys. I'm gonna drop it, crank it, let me know what you guys think. Got the Ecoboost all set. Got the stock piping up front. It's got a catalytic converter. You could upgrade it for a high flow catted down pipe available on our website. Comes into a flex pipe, then an adapter to oval pipe, round pipe, and then a Y pipe. Most of the Ecoboosts do come with a resonator up front, but the 2023 and 2024 is a high flow performance exhaust from Ford. So they put a Y pipe, delete the resonator for you from the factory, and then it slaps into some stock mufflers. So we already slapped these Borla Ataks on there. Looks great. It's gonna sound like a beast, and it's gonna make some power, probably about 20 horsepower. So that was it. That was the Ecoboost Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Sounds sick, completely redesigned Mustang. Like I said, very common car. We do a ton of them. We do Muffy Ds, we do axle bats, we do custom axle bats. We do a bunch of different stuff, man. It's all available at gexhaust.com or at G Exhaust Davie, G Exhaust Oakland Park. G Exhaust out.